Got me. So, I don't know what the fuck this is. I have no fucking clue. But I have some stir fry here. And I mean, I have eggs. So let's make like an omelet thingy. Okay. This is when you decide if you want to make scrambled or fried, okay? I've done this before. I did fried eggs. However, I'm gonna do scrambled today because fried eggs ain't fucking, it's hard. Okay. What? It's not even enough? Fuck. Okay. Back the eggs that are broke here. These photo ones are from last time I did it. What the? Oh! One. Two. Three and four. Wabam. Bam, thank you, man. Oh, there you go. Now, you just get a good spoonful. Decent spoonful of the rice. And this has, since it's stir fried rice, it has chicken and vegetables. You can use any rice, like it this way. And all you do is literally drop some in. I'm just gonna do the whole bit. Boom. 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 I'm gonna let that just sit. Grab some milk. Now, if you want to add more to your fucking omelet technically, you can. But remember, you have chicken and rice and veggies already. So you have a bunch of protein. So I'm just gonna do a bit of milk about there. Now when you order fucking Chinese food, you say, I will have it for leftovers, but what do? You throw it out. These are fucking leftovers right here. just, you know, you don't need nothing fancy. Oh, nice and spicy. Now, you probably can have this any way you want. Okay? So you probably could make a fucking burrito or some shit out of it. Oh, you know what you do? Do this rice breakfast thing. Get some fucking beans. And get some fucking taco seasoning. Make yourself some fucking rice tacos or some shit, man. Like, yeah. You know what? You have a one night stand, you do this, fuck, buddy. She will be sucking on your fucking dick till morning. We're back now. You can do it however you want. I'm gonna coat it, the bottom, spread the chicken out, whatever. Then what I'm gonna do is just plop the egg right down there. And mix her up a bit. Hey, by the way, I fucking get this shit, man, get it. Oh. Okay, now with a normal omelet, you let it sit. With this you can't because it will burn easier because of the rice and all that shit. So usually I'll leave it for a bit, move it so it don't burn, and then you can't fucking see me. And then I just keep on doing that till I get it kind of like a, what would you say, wrapped up burrito sort of fucking thing, like a big old turd. Like people have ketchup. All people have soy sauce with rice and shit. So let's see here. Fuck. I can't even do that. You know what? Fuck it. Try something. Let's just grab a glass. Okay. Got the fucking ketchup, right? Just, yeah, I'd coat the bottom like that. And then, hot sauce. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One, two. And what the secret, you may ask? I'm not gonna tell ya. Fuck yeah, okay. Okay, okay. So got it here, right? See that? Let's do as I pull the lock. Actually, just wait. Let me see. Okay. Fuck, that ain't working. Yeah, that ain't working. Whoa. There you have it.